Alrighty, we're going to play the Three-Star Hornpipe. This is a tune that I learned from Roger Howell and was originally a Tommy Hunter tune. And Tommy was someone who lived right here in Mars Hill, North Carolina. And rumor has it that either he got this tune from his grandfather or he wrote it himself. Which is what Roger was telling me his thoughts are. So supposedly he was stationed in World War II and was at a bar and saw a bottle of Three-Star Vermouth, and thus he said that would make a good fiddle tune. So we're going to try it out for you.